Right now in 2026, thousands of creators are quietly turning their short form content into cash in ways that completely defy traditional brand deals. The engine running this whole thing, Clipster. It's a massive creator marketplace that's literally rewriting the blueprint for viral earnings. But as you'll see, with new opportunities come some incredibly unforgiving systems.
So, the absolute ultimate question we need to answer today: can beginners actually generate reliable income on Clipster in 2026, or is the algorithm just totally rigged for massive influencers? Well, the short answer is yes, you can. But the long answer? Actually earning a single dollar requires mastering a highly specific set of rules. It's really not just about getting raw views anymore. It's all about getting qualified views.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is the blueprint we'll be covering in today's explainer. 1. Welcome to the Clipster economy. 2. The complete creator workflow. 3. Decoding campaigns and payouts. 4. Surviving the review process. 5. Maximizing your viral earnings. And 6. Is Clipster worth it? Starting off with Section 1, Welcome to the Clipster economy. Before we can even look at the money, we kind of have to understand the machine itself, right? While music promotion is a massive piece of Clipster's pie, with record labels paying to get audio trending in the short-form space, it's definitely not the only slice. We're seeing huge brand campaigns pop up across gaming, movies and TV, lifestyle brands, and even sports. So whether you run a niche tech review page or a sports highlight channel, Clipster essentially acts as the bridge between your specific reach and a massive brand's budget. Moving right along to Section 2, the complete creator workflow. So how do you actually go from signing up to getting paid? Well, it's a pretty strict 5-step pipeline. Step 1, join campaigns and read the requirements. Step 2, create and publish your content to your social platforms. Step 3, submit the link back to Clipster for review. Step 4, get approved. And Step 5, withdraw your earnings. Let me really stress this right now. Skimming the fine print in Step 1 will absolutely detonate your chances at Step 4. You have to read the brief. Next up is Section 3, decoding campaigns and payouts. Now, what's really interesting about this is how the platform calculates what you actually earn. Clipster doesn't just hand out money for raw data. They operate on a rate, which is a specific amount paid out for a set number of eligible views. For example, a campaign might offer $2,000 per 1 million views. But notice the word eligible. Clipster's data-driven system aggressively filters out bot traffic and out-of-region views. You are paid strictly for real, qualified human attention on your video. So here's the kicker, and it's a crucial point. Your earnings on a single video are not infinite. This brings us to the concepts of the cap per post and cap per profile. Basically, these are strict maximum limits set by the platform. Once your video earns enough to hit that cap, you stop earning money from that specific campaign, no matter how insanely viral the video goes afterwards. Like, if the cap per post is $500 and your video generates $10,000 worth of views, yeah, you are still only walking away with $500. Let's put that into perspective and see how it plays out in reality. Say you get 10,000 views, you might pull in a few dollars, well below any limits. Jump up to 100,000, and you're seeing a really solid payout. But hit 500,000 or even 1 million views, you might earn the exact same amount. If a campaign's payout cap is triggered at the 500,000 mark, your earnings literally freeze right there. The whole system is intentionally designed this way to spread the budget across many different creators rather than making one mega viral creator rich off a single post. Which brings us to Section 4, surviving the review process. Picture this. You get the views, you hit the cap, you go to cash out, and Clipster rejects your video. It's literally the ultimate heartbreak on this platform. The manual review process is ruthless. Are you in the wrong niche? Rejected. Did you have lazy editing or copyright slip-ups? Instant rejection. But honestly, the most painful failures come from completely unforced beginner errors, forgetting a required hashtag, or way worse, buying fake views. Try to game the system with bots, and you aren't just rejected, you are flat out blacklisted. Let's pivot to Section 5, maximizing your viral earnings. If you want to actually make serious money here, you absolutely cannot rely on luck. And this brilliantly illustrates the stark difference between amateur habits and pro-level strategy. Amateurs upload low-quality edits and completely ignore the required niche. Top creators on the leaderboard, however, engineer high-retention edits. They use a visually arresting hook in the first 3 seconds, they sync their visual cuts perfectly to the promotional audio, and they utilize dynamic, easy-to-read captions. These are not just aesthetic choices, guys. They are calculated tactics to farm higher watch times and secure those crucial eligible views. To really dominate, you've got to deploy these rapid-fire tactics. 1. Post when your specific audience is actually awake and scrolling. 2. Piggyback trending tags alongside those required campaign tags to hijack algorithmic reach. 3. Optimize every single cut to retain watch time. And 4. Build an actual community. Because listen, one viral hit is a total fluke. A loyal audience ensures you hit those campaign caps every single time you upload.
Finally, Section 6. Is Clipster worth it? Okay, so we've covered the mechanics and the money. Stepping back for a second, the reality of the platform is kind of a double-edged sword. On the pro side, view-based earnings completely eliminate the need for grueling brand negotiations, offering diverse niches for almost anyone to jump into. But on the con side, approvals are notoriously strict, earnings are capped, and there are absolutely zero guarantees. You could spend 5 hours editing an absolute masterpiece for a payout of exactly $0. Success relies entirely on your disciplined adherence to the rules and your ability to pull in genuine audience retention.
So, knowing the immense potential and honestly the strict boundaries of this platform, here is the question you need to ask yourself. Are you ready to master these rules, refine your editing skills, and claim your share of the 2026 creator economy? Clipster is an incredibly powerful tool, but just like any tool, its value depends entirely on the skill of the person using it. If this breakdown helps clarify the creator marketplace for you, make sure to subscribe for more creator economy tutorials as we continue to decode the systems that pay creators. Keep creating, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next explainer.